Hi everyone, today we're going to explore a detailed head-to-head comparison between two major ERP solutions from Microsoft, Dynamics 365 Business Central and Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, also known as Finance and Supply Chain Management. Before diving into the 5 key differences, let's start with the user interface since that's the first thing users interact with daily. Business Central uses a role center as its main landing page. It's designed around each user's role, showing a clean, intuitive dashboard with tiles, charts, cues, and quick links to the most common actions. Its layout focuses on simplicity and ease of use, which makes it especially suitable for small and medium-sized businesses. In contrast, Finance and Supply Chain Management is built around workspaces rather than role centers. These workspaces are data-rich, function-specific environments, such as for procurement or production. They include lists, charts, reports, and extensive navigation options that reflect the complexity and operational depth of large enterprises. The UI feels more traditional, but also more data-focused, offering a broader view of performance metrics. Because employees access their home screens daily, an easy-to-navigate interface becomes an important factor when choosing an ERP. Global consolidation is vital for organizations operating across multiple countries or subsidiaries. It provides a single, unified financial view so leaders can assess overall business performance. When comparing the two systems, Finance and Supply Chain Management clearly provides more advanced consolidation features suited for large, complex enterprises. It includes automated elimination rules, ownership-based consolidation, multiple consolidation hierarchies, and a complete audit trail, all crucial for managing financial data across entities and complying with global regulations. Additionally, it supports IFRS and GAAP compliance, automated scheduling, and intercompany automation, making it an ideal choice for multinational corporations. Both solutions perform well when consolidating a few subsidiaries within one country. These simpler setups are easy to handle for either system. However, differences become obvious with multi-entity global structures. For example, consolidating a dozen companies using different charts of accounts, currencies, and ownership models. In such scenarios, Business Central can still handle consolidation, but requires manual configuration and custom adjustments, which increase effort and time. Finance and Supply Chain Management, on the other hand, automates much of the process, supports complex configurations, and ensures compliance and precision across all entities. That said, Business Central remains powerful for its target audience. Its simplicity, user-friendliness, and lower maintenance effort make it perfect for small to mid-sized businesses with straightforward structures. The manual nature of its consolidation process can even be an advantage in cases where companies don't need complex automation. Implementation is faster and costs are lower. So, for organizations with a simpler corporate setup, Business Central offers a practical and cost-effective solution, while Finance and Supply Chain Management caters to global, highly structured enterprises. Compliance is another major consideration in financial management systems, especially for businesses working across multiple regions or industries. It's about more than just following accounting standards. It ensures accuracy, transparency, security, and trust in financial operations. When evaluating compliance, Finance and Supply Chain Management again delivers enterprise-grade capabilities compared to Business Central. Regulatory compliance. Business Central allows manual setup for IFRS and GAAP standards, which is typically sufficient for small and medium-sized organizations. In contrast, Finance and Supply Chain Management provides built-in, multi-standard support, ideal for multinational companies that report under different accounting frameworks. Audit and transparency. Business Central includes a basic audit trail, while Finance and Supply Chain Management offers detailed audit logs, transaction traceability, and segregation of duties, essential for meeting audit and regulatory requirements. Internal controls. Business Central has limited compliance tools, whereas Finance and Supply Chain Management features advanced role-based security, workflow approvals, and internal control mechanisms, making it a stronger choice for enterprises that need strict compliance frameworks. Localization and Tax Compliance. Finance and supply chain management also excels here. Business Central supports localization for around 20 countries, which covers regional operations well. Finance and supply chain management expands that to over 40 countries, each with tailored localization packs to meet local financial and tax regulations. For tax calculation, Business Central includes a basic VAT, GST engine, enough for standard tax cases. Finance and supply chain management, however, provides a configurable tax engine that can handle complex tax regimes like India's GST. In addition, Business Central often depends on third-party solutions for electronic invoicing and reporting. By contrast, finance and supply chain management includes native e-invoicing, digital reporting, and compliance with country-specific mandates, making it more reliable for multinational operations. Security and data governance. Both systems include role-based access control, but finance and supply chain management takes it further with granular permission levels, detailed audit logging, and enterprise-level accountability. When it comes to data residency and sovereignty, Business Central offers limited configuration, while finance and supply chain management, being hosted on Microsoft Azure, complies with major international standards like GDPR and HIPAA, making it a secure choice for regulated industries. Segregation of duties is managed manually in Business Central, but is built in and automated in finance and supply chain management, which also includes conflict detection to prevent fraud. Regarding workflow and approval processes, Business Central provides basic approval functionality, for example, approvals for AP, AR, or journals. Finance and supply chain management supports multi-level configurable workflows with conditional logic, escalation paths, and audit tracking, suitable for large-scale corporate structures. Overall, finance and supply chain management offers a broader and more sophisticated framework for large multinational organizations. It provides extensive tax and localization coverage, built-in IFRS and GAAP compliance, robust audit and security features, and comprehensive governance controls, all essential for global enterprises with complex regulatory needs. Meanwhile, Business Central focuses on simplicity, flexibility, and ease of use. Though its compliance and automation features are more basic and often manual, they're sufficient for smaller companies or those operating in limited regions. Its straightforward design and lower administrative load make it easy to implement, maintain, and adapt without the complexity of enterprise-scale systems. In this video, we've explored how Dynamics 365, Business Central, and Finance and Supply Chain Management differ in global consolidation and compliance. If this breakdown was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. See you there.